Today we are going to be using aloe vera. Aloe vera has been used for centuries for its healing properties. I'm going to be showing you all how to make your aloe vera oil in the simplest way possible. So I have first removed the edges of the aloe vera. Whenever you cut off the edges, you are going to see like a yellowish liquid or the latex. You don't want that. That can cause itchiness, especially if you have sensitive issues or if you have sensitive scalp. All right, so it is advisable to remove the edges. Let the aloe vera sit in water for at least 30 minutes to an hour, or if you have time, you can let it sit overnight. After that, you can proceed to making your aloe vera oil or your aloe vera gel, however way you're going to use the aloe vera. So right now I am just cutting up the aloe vera into pieces, and then I'm going to move on to blending the aloe vera with one powerful ingredient. All right, so keep watching to see how you can make your aloe vera oil. Welcome back, family. I really do appreciate you guys checking on me. Well, for those who check on me, I appreciate you all via Instagram or on YouTube. I really appreciate you guys. I know I have been slowing down lately on my uploads, and life has been life in y'all. You know, things happen beyond our control. But I just want to appreciate you guys for reaching out to me, and yeah, thank you. I appreciate you. And if this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for liking. Please don't exit this video without smashing that subscribe button and comment your favorite part of this video in the comment section. All right, again, that really helps the channel. The next ingredient to add to the aloe vera is the cloves. I'm going to be using a teaspoon of the cloves. After adding the cloves to the blender, I'm going to add a half cup of the grapeseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I like to use the lightweight oil because they penetrate deeply into the hair strands, but you can use whatever oil that works well when it comes to your hair. All right, your hair, your choice. I use cloves in this recipe because cloves are really great at promoting hair growth and treating scalp issues. So I just couldn't relent. If you want to add cloves, you can add it. If you don't want to, you can leave the aloe vera on its own and make your aloe vera oil. Your hair, your choice. All right. But I love the cloves. I have used cloves in so many of my recipes. I have done the clove challenge on here. I can attest to the benefits of cloves. If you have grays or gray hair like I do, and you want to naturally tone it down, don't get me wrong, I love my grays. All right, I love my gray hair. But if you want to tone it down naturally, cloves are really great at doing that. All right, you can make your cloves water and apply it to your hair. If you are going to be using the cloves on its own, what I will say is that make sure you are using it with a really good moisturizer, because cloves will dry the hair, and you know, once you have dry hair, you are going to experience breakage. So we are going to add a half more cup of the grapeseed oil, and then half cup of the sweet almond oil, and we're going to transfer this to the stove top. We are going to be doing the frying method. It is going to take a little while, so please be patient with the frying method. All right, because I'm going to leave this on very low heat for a very long time, but make sure to check on the oil while it sits on the stove top. All right, family, now that we have the mixture on the stove top, I started off with a high heat, but once I sat the saucepan on the stove top, I went ahead and lowered the stove top to a very low heat. This mixture is going to sit here for 45 minutes on low heat. The frying process is going to be long, but again, please be patient because we want to completely get rid of the water in the oil. All right, as you can see, the oil starts to bubble. Everything is drying up. The water is drying up. After the water has completely dries up, I'm going to set this down to cool down. All right, after cooling down, I'm going to move on to straining the oil, and I will be adding few more ingredients to this oil, and my aloe vera oil is ready to be used. So keep watching to see the last few ingredients that I have to add to this oil. If you don't have these last ingredients I will be adding, your oil is still powerful to use as is. Remember, of course, it is aloe vera oil, so you have aloe vera in there, and you also have cloves. Cloves contain omega-3 fatty acids. Studies have shown that omega-3 fatty acids may help to prevent hair loss, scalp irritation, and increase hair density, which may contribute to stronger, thicker, and shinier hair strands, family. Cloves also contain antioxidants, such as vitamin E. Vitamin E can help combat free radical damage and may improve blood circulation. Once you guys have blood circulating to the scalp, your hair is going to flourish. I have always encouraged you guys to massage your scalp. That is one way you can help blood flow to the scalp. All right, family, you have your aloe vera in here. Aloe vera is a very powerful agent when it comes to hair growth. It helps to strengthen the hair. It contains a lot of vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. All of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera gel. Both of these components can help keep your hair from falling out. So if you don't have these ingredients that I'm using here, your aloe vera oil is powerful as is. All right, y'all, if you made it this far in the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Share this video to a friend, a family member, or loved one, somebody in your community, or somebody you think that might benefit from watching this video. Remember, as they say, sharing is caring. Okay, comment your favorite part of this video in the comment section. And if you want to become a member of this family, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It is absolutely free. If you love all things DIY for your natural hair, especially using natural products, then this is a place for you. So don't exit this channel without smashing that subscribe button. All right, so here is my oil. It is ready. I'm going to go ahead and transfer the oil into my storage containers. So after I added the glycerin is very, very thick, so you want to make sure you are stirring it. That way it mixes well with the oil. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to be preparing this oil. And I know it is the aloe vera oil, so of course aloe vera is the main ingredient in this oil. If you are going to be using the cloves, let me know. Or if you are going to opt into using something else, what other natural ingredient would you use, or what other natural ingredient would you prefer using in this oil? You guys know the routine. The oil is ready. I'm going to apply this to our hair. I didn't want to show you guys that today because I usually do that, but today I was running out of time. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead now and clean my bottles with some alcohol, and my oil is ready to be used. Please, again, family, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Smash that subscribe button to become a member of this family. Remember, it is absolutely free. Have a very blessed weekend, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.